Yo, what do you mean not valid? My father personally wrote it himself.
We must follow the laws of Malaysia's will. If it doesn't meet the requirement, then it's not valid.
Wei Huang, this is the will my father made before he passed away. I'd like to engage you for the following procedures.
Was this will personally written by your father?
Yeah, I mean maybe when he found out about his illness, he secretly made it himself. We didn't know about it. We just found out like when we helped clean his stuff.
I'm sorry, but this will only have one witness signature. And the beneficiary information is also incomplete. I cannot proceed as per the contents mentioned.
Although writing your own will may save money, if you overlook the following points, it may result in the will not being executable. Let's take a look at the 5 common mistakes you may encounter when writing your own will. First one, the testator did not sign the will. Or, second, the will was not signed in the presence of 2 witnesses. Third, the will does not have a residuary clause. Fourth, failing to name an executor. Fifth, incomplete beneficiaries information. Therefore, while saving money by writing a will at home, such an action cannot guarantee the legality of the will. It is recommended to have it executed by a professional will planner, saving both time and money.